Hey, I'm Elijah with Paid Memberships Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your PMPro front-end pages. PMPro requires several front-end pages for functions like checkout, member login, account management, and displaying available membership levels. During the setup wizard, PMPro will create all of the necessary pages for you unless you explicitly chose to skip that step. So for most sites, the pages will be found in your pages list after completing the wizard. You can find all of your PMPro page settings under Memberships, Settings, Pages in the WordPress admin panel. This is where you can see which pages are designated as the primary membership pages. If you didn't generate the pages during the setup wizard, you'll see a Generate Pages for Me button that'll automatically create and assign all of the necessary pages. You can also use the Create Pages Manually button instead if you want to manually complete that process. But since I created the pages during the setup wizard, I have a full list of all of the PMPro pages along with buttons to edit and view them. Since the necessary portions of each page come from either the associated PMPro block or shortcode, it's easy to edit the pages and lay them out however you want. You can build around the PMPro blocks or shortcodes to create, for example, a full account dashboard with other content like community discussions, events, and more. Essentially, any customization you can make with the block editor or your page builder of choice is fair game, as long as you ensure the proper PMPro block or shortcode is included on the page. And since they're normal WordPress pages, you can rename any of the PMPro pages as needed to fit your site. Now you know how to set up your PMPro front-end pages and how to edit them. To learn more about Paid Memberships Pro and get started for free, visit paidmembershipspro.com. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the rest of our channel for more helpful content about how to run your own membership site.